Welcome to an unboxing of the Dragino D20S-LB. The S is very important. Here we have a special sensor from the D20 series. I'll tell you more about it in a moment. Information about the device is printed here. It's an LB, which means it's LoRaWAN battery powered, and accordingly there's nothing else on the box. Let's open it up and take a look inside. Here we see the LoRaWAN information we need for registration. But if you shop with us in the iot-shop, you'll also receive this information digitally for download. What do you get from us here? You get an antenna and of course the node itself. Now, what's interesting, let's screw on the antenna. What's interesting is that the entire device is fully suitable for outdoor use. And fittingly, that's what the S in D20S stands for. It's suitable for soil and street, meaning for both road and soil. You can see that very clearly. I'll try to hold the sample a bit closer here. It's completely encased. That means it's probably optimized for use in soil or directly in roads, and likely also for being embedded in concrete. So what do we get? We get a temperature range from minus 55 degrees Celsius to 125 degrees Celsius that we can measure with this, and especially for this device, we get either periodic measurements, meaning, for example, data is sent out every 15 minutes, or also when a certain temperature is reached. And this temperature alarm can be set on the device, either over the air, that is via downlink, or with Bluetooth Low Energy. That means the device can also connect to a smartphone or something similar. Yes, basically nothing more to add, except that there's an 8,500 mAh battery built in here and about 1.5 to 2 meters of cable. It varies a bit sometimes. And here you get a complete outdoor node that's optimized specifically for outdoor use. Of course, there's also an alternative version with solar panels, which is especially interesting for outdoor applications. In that case, you don't need to look for LB, but for LS at the end of the name. But overall, that's everything you get with the D20S-LB. Again, an S, this time before the hyphen. And with that, I want to say thank you for watching and joining in the excitement about what all these letters mean. Thank you for shopping with us. Ciao with a V.